Are you looking for the best digital fishing baitcasting reel? In this video, we want to the top 5 best digital fishing baitcasting reel on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Ryobi Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel. The ultralight powerhouse for anglers. The Ryobi 150 Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is a game changer in the world of fishing, boasting an ultralight design that combines power, precision, and durability for an unparalleled angling experience. The standout feature of the Ryobi 150 is its ultralight design, meticulously crafted to provide anglers with a reel that's easy to handle and minimizes fatigue during extended fishing sessions. This thoughtful design ensures that you can focus on the thrill of the catch without being weighed down. With a maximum drag of 7 kg, the Ryobi 150 is a powerhouse when it comes to handling tough and resilient fish. No catch is too challenging, and the reel's impressive drag capacity ensures that you can confidently tackle any fishing situation, making sure you never miss out on the big ones. Versatility meets resilience with the waterproof feature of the Ryobi 150 engineered to withstand all weather conditions. This reel ensures that your fishing adventures are not limited by rain or wet conditions. Fish with confidence, knowing that your reel remains fully functional even in challenging environments. The 9+1 BB configuration of the Ryobi 150 provides anglers with a diverse set of options for different fishing scenarios. Whether you're targeting elusive species or casting in varying conditions, the reel's ball-bearing setup ensures that you are well prepared for any angling challenge that comes your way. The addition of a lighted digital line counter takes the Ryobi 150 to the next level, providing real-time information that enhances your fishing precision. Keep track of your line with ease, even in low light conditions, ensuring that you always have a clear view of your fishing setup. Further enhancing the reel's performance are features like the carbon matrix drag, brass gears, and a compact bent handle and star. These components work in harmony to deliver a smooth and powerful fishing experience, making every moment on the water a joy. In conclusion, the Ryobi 150 Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is a triumph in design and functionality. Its ultralight construction, impressive drag capacity, waterproof durability, and advanced features like the lighted digital line counter make it a must-have for avid anglers. Elevate your fishing game with the Ryobi 150 and enjoy a reel that stands out in performance and reliability. Number 4. Histar Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel. Unleash the power, precision, and durability. The Histar Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is a true marvel in the world of angling, offering an array of features that cater to the needs of both amateur and professional fishermen. Let's delve into what makes this reel stand out. Power is at the forefront with a high ratio of 7.01, providing an impressive 10 kg drag power. This reel is built to handle heavy loads, making it the perfect companion for anglers seeking to conquer the challenges posed by big fish. The high ratio ensures a swift and efficient retrieval, giving you the upper hand in landing your prized catch. Weather won't be a hindrance with the waterproof design of the Histar Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel. This feature ensures that your reel remains functional and your bait stays dry, regardless of the weather conditions. Fish with confidence in rain or shine, knowing that your equipment is up to the task. The reel's 8+1 BB metal spool enhances the casting experience, providing smooth and efficient line management. With a large capacity for storing line, this reel reduces the hassle of frequent spool changes, allowing you to focus on the thrill of the catch. Designed with the management field in mind, the Histar reel is tailored for professional fishermen who demand reliability and durability from their equipment. The robust construction ensures that this reel stands up to the rigors of frequent use and challenging fishing environments. A standout feature is the compatibility with fake bait, catering to anglers who prefer this method of fishing. The reel's versatility allows for various fishing styles, providing an adaptable and enjoyable experience for anglers of all preferences. Long casting capabilities further elevate the Histar Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel. Reach further out into the water, expanding your fishing territory and increasing the likelihood of a successful catch. The combination of power, waterproofing, and precision casting makes this reel a comprehensive solution for anglers seeking excellence. In conclusion, the Histar Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is a testament to power, durability, and adaptability. Whether you're battling big fish, casting in adverse weather, or seeking versatility in bait options, this reel has you covered. Elevate your angling experience with Histar and embrace a new level of performance on the water. Number 3. Isfriday Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel. The ultimate companion for precision fishing. The Isfriday Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is a game changer for anglers seeking precision, convenience, and advanced features in their fishing gear. Let's explore the remarkable attributes that set this reel apart. One of the standout features is the bite alarm, a practical addition that enhances your fishing experience. With a simple press of the set button, you enter bite alarm mode. The display flashes, and an audible alarm sounds when a fish bites, ensuring that you never miss a moment of action. The reel boasts a high-performance configuration with 5+1 stainless steel ball bearings, providing smooth and reliable operation. The gear ratio of 7.2:1 ensures a swift retrieval, allowing you to reel in your catch with ease. Equipped with a line counter function, the large digital backlighting display measures line length in meters and provides the number of line windings. The L1 and L2 mode interchangeability adds versatility to your fishing style, catering to different preferences and scenarios. The magnetic brake system is a technological marvel, featuring 12 gears and a maximum brake force of 10 kg. This ensures precise control over your line, allowing for stable and accurate casting. The double-row alignment strong magnetic brake contributes to throwing stable and non-explosive lines, making each cast a breeze. The reel is designed for convenience with its rechargeable feature, allowing you to charge it easily using a USB cable. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing batteries and enjoy a sustainable and user-friendly fishing experience. Crafted for durability and performance, the machined anodized aluminum spool offers maximum strength while reducing weight. The balanced aluminum handle with a comfortable EVA knob ensures a comfortable grip during prolonged fishing sessions. The Isfriday Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is versatile, suitable for both rafting and baitcasting fishing. Whether you're exploring calm waters or tackling challenging conditions, this reel is up to the task. In conclusion, the Isfriday Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is a technological marvel designed to elevate your fishing game. From advanced features like the bite alarm and line counter to the convenience of rechargeability, this reel offers a comprehensive solution for anglers seeking precision and performance on the water. Embrace the future of fishing with Isfriday. Number 2. Histar Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel. Elevating your fishing experience. The Histar Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is a revolutionary addition to the angler's arsenal, bringing innovation and performance to every fishing expedition. Let's dive into the features that make this reel stand out. The inclusion of both bite alarm and unloading alarm features sets this reel apart. With a simple press of the set button, you activate the bite alarm mode, and the display flashes while an audible alarm signals a fish bite. This not only adds excitement to your fishing but ensures you're always in tune with the action beneath the surface. The reel boasts a robust configuration with 5+1 stainless steel ball bearings, delivering smooth and reliable operation. The gear ratio of 7.2:1 provides a quick retrieval, making it easier to land your prized catch. Featuring a line counter function, the large digital backlighting display accurately measures line length in meters and displays the number of line windings. The L1 and L2 mode interchangeability enhances adaptability, allowing you to customize your approach based on fishing conditions. The magnetic brake system is a highlight, offering 12 gears and a maximum braking force of 8 kg. This ensures precise control over your line, making casting a precise and efficient process. The compact, low-profile design of the reel adds to its appeal, making it an excellent choice for anglers looking for a versatile and manageable tackle. Designed with convenience in mind, the reel features a rechargeable design. Charging is a breeze with the USB cable and sonar panel compatibility, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. Crafted for durability without compromising on weight, the machined anodized aluminum spool offers maximum strength. The balanced aluminum handle, coupled with the comfortable EVA knob, provides a secure and comfortable grip during extended fishing sessions. Whether you're into rafting or baitcasting fishing, the Histar Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is up to the challenge. Its versatile design and advanced features make it a reliable companion for a wide range of fishing scenarios. In summary, the Histar Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is a game changer in the fishing world. From its advanced alarm features to the adaptable design, this reel combines innovation with practicality, ensuring that every angler enjoys a superior fishing experience. Elevate your game with Histar. Number 1. Samolla Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel. Precision in every cast. The Samolla Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel is a testament to the pursuit of precision and control in the world of angling. With real-time control and innovative features, this reel is set to redefine your fishing experience. One standout feature is the real-time control, ensuring that you never lose track of a single outgoing line. Whether you're casting with finesse or reeling in a big catch, the reel's design keeps you in control, allowing for a more engaging and successful fishing session. The left/right display adds versatility to the reel, catering to both left-handed and right-handed anglers. This thoughtful design ensures that the reel adapts to your preferred fishing style, enhancing overall comfort and ease of use. The impressive 7.2:1 high gear ratio is a game changer when it comes to handling high-speed sinking bait. This ratio provides the strength and efficiency needed for various fishing techniques, making it a versatile choice for anglers of all levels. A highlight of the Samolla reel is the precision brass gear. With a 7.2:1 high gear ratio, this reel excels in coping with the demands of high-speed sinking bait. The precision-engineered brass gear enhances the overall operation performance, delivering a robust and reliable performance with each cast. The reel is equipped with a cutting-edge magnetic bean system, representing the new generation of micromagnetic brake technology. With 10 magnetic beans strategically placed to optimize the magnetic effect on the ported aluminum spool, the reel offers ultimate casting control. This ensures that every cast is accurate, smooth, and tailored to your specific needs. In conclusion, the Samolla Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel combines real-time control, high gear ratio, precision brass gear, and an innovative magnetic bean system to offer anglers a tool that's second to none. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this reel's features make it an exceptional choice for a wide range of fishing scenarios. Elevate your angling game with the precision and performance of the Samolla Digital Fishing Baitcasting Reel.